Hello everyone! Today we are going to be talking a bit about time management, specifically about a tool called the activity log that can help us better manage our time. The activity log is a very simple tool and is a great place to start if you're just now beginning your time management journey. So without further ado, let's see what this log is all about. So this is one version of an activity log. As you can see, it's basically just a grid that includes days of the week and times of the day. And the nice thing about this tool is that it's very easy to recreate and customize on the computer, or you can maybe draw it on a piece of paper. And you'll see that this example starts at 7 a.m. So if you work second or third shift, or maybe you just start your day earlier, this grid may look differently for you. So it's important to remember that you may need to customize it and make this grid work for you. So today we're going to be going over 4 main steps to completing this activity log. The first step is to fill in all of the secured commitments you have, such as class times, work hours, and appointments. And we recommend using different colors for all the different components of your schedule just to help make it easy to use. The second step is filling in your basic needs, such as mealtime, sleep, and commutes. Now, you should have an accurate idea of when and how much free time you have after you've completed this second step. So the third step will be to divvy up this free time for homework and studying specifically. But before we dive into that step, we want to share a few tips that are important to remember when filling in your homework time. The first tip that we want to share is for every 1 hour you are in class, plan to spend roughly 2 hours studying. So count up your class time hours and divvy up your homework time accordingly. The second tip is to always give yourself more time than you think you'll need. We tend to underestimate how long it takes us to complete a task, so it's always important to give yourself a little bit more flexibility. And then the last tip is to be mindful to take breaks. Not only do we want to take breaks, but we want to schedule that into our activity log as a reminder to take breaks. We tend to be more productive and can think more clearly when we give our brains time to rest. So if you're wondering, how long should my break be? When should my break be? The Pomodoro technique is a great place to start. This technique suggests that you work for 25 minutes straight and then take a 3 to 5 minute break. But you could increase this by maybe working for an hour straight and then taking a 10-minute break. Since you know yourself the best, you can choose the amount of time that will work for you. As long as you're adding in breaks throughout your homework time, it doesn't necessarily matter. All right. Back to our free time. So keeping those tips in mind, you'll complete the third step by adding your homework time and breaks into your schedule. And lastly, the fourth and final step of the activity log will be to incorporate self-care. As students, it's very important to make time for activities that give us joy. It re-energizes us and it helps us stay motivated. So if we don't take care of ourselves, it can be very easy to burn out. So be sure to add that stuff into your schedule and stick to it. So there you have it, a colorful and completed activity log. We hope that this video will inspire you to go out and create your own. Thanks for watching.